Yes. No, here, yesterday we have seen, like in the last class. Yes. So what I said in the last class is like how to work with the if statements. Now we have seen three types of if statements. Okay, I said you three types of if statements. Three types of if statements. So there is one more type of if statement called a nested if. So there is one more type of if statement, and that is called as nested if. కిందనే ఉంటుంది పైన రాడే రాడిగా ప్యాకెట్ వచ్చినా కూడా అని పైన వచ్చింది ఎవరు వచ్చింది ఏంది ఏం లేదా చూసుకున్నా ఆయన లేవాడు అక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ వచ్చి ఇక్కడ ఉండొచ్చు కదా కింద ఇప్పుడు ఏం చెక్ చేసుకోమని చూసుకోమని ఒకసారి పైన So okay, this is a nested if. So what we are doing in nested if phase? What is nested if phase? If within if is called okay. If you are writing if inside if, then it is called as a nested if, right? If within if is called a nested if, or same thing you can say if followed by if is called a nested if. So I think you have done some programs. If followed by if is called a nested if, right? If inside the if is called nested if, or if followed by if is called as which one here? Nested if. Nested means within. Actually, nested means within. So if one condition is satisfied, immediately you're trying to check one more condition, right? So the syntax of nested if is like this. This is a syntax of nested if. Okay, how you are writing it? If followed by condition, if followed by condition, right? If you are writing if followed by condition, and inside the if you are writing one more if. See here, inside the if you are writing one more if, and again followed by one condition, and then you are writing statements. Assume that this is statement one, and if this condition is failed, you are trying to come to the else part. Okay, then you are writing okay statement two. Okay, else you are writing one more statement, and that is what is your statement three. So there is a condition. Assume that this is condition one. Inside this, you are writing one more condition. Okay, so you can have any number of nesteds. You can have any number of nested conditions. You can have any number of nested conditions. Don't think that you have to write only one condition inside a one condition, but you can have any number of nested conditions. Now here, now what you're trying to do is, if condition one is true, if condition one is true, and condition two is also true. If condition one is condition one and condition two are true, it execute what here statement one. So if the condition one is true, immediately it will check the second condition. If the second condition is also true, it executes statement one. Suppose if condition one is true, condition one is true and condition two is false. Okay, it execute what here statement two. If condition one is true and condition two is false, it executes statement two. Suppose if condition one is a false, if condition one is false, okay, it executes statement what here three. If condition one and condition two are true, it executes statement one. If condition one is true and condition two is false, it executes statement two. If condition one is false, it executes what here statement three. So that is based on number of conditions, right? Condition one is true and condition two is also true. It executes statement one. Condition one is a true, condition two is a false, then statement two. See, when it is useful is, for example, see the flow chart of this, of exactly this flow chart, of exactly this flow chart is. Now there is a start here. Okay, there is a start. And here you are trying to check the one condition. This is one condition, right? So assume that this is a condition one. Condition one. If condition one is a true, then immediately you're checking one more condition. If condition one is true, immediately you're checking one more condition. This is another condition. Okay, and this condition is also true. So this is a condition two is also true. then it execute what your statement. Okay, statement 1. It executes statement 1. Suppose condition 1 is a true. Okay, condition 2 is a false. Condition 1 is a true, but condition 2 is a false. Okay, it executes statement 2. Condition 1 is a true, but condition 2 is a false. Then it executes statement 2. Statement 2, right? If the condition 1 itself is a false, if the condition 1 itself is a false, it executes statement 3. If condition 1 itself is a false, then it executes statement 3. So this is called as your statement 3. So after this, you are saying it is stop. See, try to see this multiple nested means within, ladder means after. Okay, nested means within, right? If condition within the if condition, so that you can call it as nested if. So there is a statement 2 and there is a statement. Yes, it is like this. Now, if you see this one, okay, now this is a flow chart for this. Now there is a start and one condition you are checking. If this condition is a true, immediately you are checking one more condition. If this condition is also true, you are executing a statement 1, right? This is how you are trying to do. If you see the example for this is, if you see the example for this is, assume that, if you see the example, if you see the example for this, if you see the example for this is, go to the file. Now, assume that I'm developing one login application. So in login, what is the input I'm giving? The input what I'm giving is username. So input, what you are trying to input here, username.